The neon glow of NeoBronx pulses like a heartbeat, a symphony of light and shadow weaving through the streets. Here, the air crackles with the hum of drones and the chatter of augmented souls. Each corner reveals a market brimming with tech and tantalizing wares, cybernetic enhancements glinting under flickering signs, street vendors hawking biohacks that promise to elevate your existence. The aroma of synth-meat wafts through the air, mingling with the electric tang of ozone. You can barter with a street samurai for a new mural implant or trade stories with a netrunner who's just returned from the depths of the virtual underworld. As you navigate the labyrinthine alleys, the walls pulse with graffiti, messages from the resistance, art that challenges the corporate overlords. This is a place where the future collides with rebellion, where every step echoes with the potential for transformation. In NeoBronx, the streets are alive, and every encounter could change your fate. Welcome to the edge of tomorrow.